This is Antonio Diarmiento, Howl and Hammer DIY Adventures with Paws. Thanks again for following me. Today's a big day. Today we are starting a pretty big project. I kind of wanted to share with you. It's a lot bigger than a normal DIY project, but I did want to show you guys because I think it's a really cool project. So what we're doing is we're taking this grill and we're going to build a surround. We're going to frame a complete surround out of pressurized wood framing. We're going to make a box. We're going to install a refrigerator, a pull-out drawer system, and a wastebasket container. All stainless steel. Everything is going to be done in a composite stone facing. And then we're going to have granite countertops. We're going to have a granite ledge up top, so it's going to be a really nice workspace out here on this new house deck here. Beautiful space out here. So hang tight. We're going to kind of go through this little by little, step by step, and we're going to get started today. So just want to go over some basic tools for you all to get this framing end of the job completed. So you'll need some 2.5-inch epoxy coated screws, levels, 2 foot and 4 foot. Obviously you'll need a cordless drill with a star head bit, a square, a 7.25-inch circular saw, hammer and a string line, and probably a nice refreshment as well. And that'll get you going on the framing. So there's really not a lot of tools involved with the framing aspect of this project. Oh, you definitely want to get a pair of knee pads and a work apron or a tool pouch. So as you can see, we got about 50% of the structure built and framed up. So we're going to have a refrigerator right here. That's a rough-in for the refrigerator. That'll slide right in once everything is complete. And then on this side here, as I said, we're going to have a trash bin, and we are going to have some pull-out drawers, and that's pretty much it right now. Everything's going to be faced with the composite stones. So, but now that's pretty much it for today. We ran out of material, so we're going to head to the store and buy some more supplies. We'll continue on, and we'll pick up where we left off, guys. Hey everyone, so Antonio here. It's day 3 of our project for the grill enclosure wall. So far we plywooded all the walls up. We have everything fit out with our rough openings. We tie-backed all the exterior walls. And we are starting some of this stonework in the rear of this. So once we get done with that, we can push the whole structure back and then get everything set in place where it belongs, and continue on with the stonework. So we'll show you some photos of that as well. So guys, girls, so basically how this is applied is with 2-inch nails. It's a composite stone which is made for nails to go through it. You want to make sure that you have all your vapor barrier on everything, and you know, we have a tie-back underneath this, a white tie-back which waterproofs everything, and then we put a tar paper which kind of gives us the dark color so our joints don't show through. You don't see the nails, they blend right in with everything, and you just want to stagger your joints. So we're just coming around the corner here, and we're going to follow right across, and you'll see when it's all done. Today is day 5, I believe. We are on our way to finishing up all the stonework today, all the composite stone. We got the vapor barrier, like I said, very important. This stone is awesome. You know, like I said, you just want to separate your joints and make sure your vapor barrier's on there nice. And you know, you use 2-inch nails with a nail gun, and this stuff really holds tight to the board. Really awesome. So guys, girls, end of the day, we just finished everything that we could finish for today. All the stonework's done, everything's in place. We just have to have the granite templated and installed, and then once that's done, then everything will be pretty much done. Well, the day's come to another end. Me and these knuckleheads at Howl and Hammer. End of the day, my boys are out for a walk. Happy as anything. Well, guys, girls, project is complete today. The countertop guys just left a little while ago. They just sent all the countertops and all the backsplash, and that's it. Job is complete. We have a refrigerator. We have a pull-out trash holder, and we have a set of drawers here. I just put some LED lighting around the countertops, which you can't really see right now, but that'll be cool. It's like strobe lighting and that kind of stuff, remote control. But that's the last adventure for the winter, or for the summer, I would say. And we're going to be going indoors, and you know, you'll see some of our new indoor projects going on over the winter. But yeah, that's it. Last outdoor project, and we got to get our winter suit for this guy and Fabio. So thanks for everybody tuning in, and I hope you kind of enjoyed everything that we went through, and just something different. You know, it's a little bit more advanced, I guess, than, you know, some of your DIY projects, but I just want to share everything with you, and we'll see you on the next adventure. Paws up. All right.